So like many, you've probably been creating quite a lot of content in Microsoft Teams over the last few weeks, especially in the lockdown and COVID-19. Maybe it hasn't been that, and maybe you've just done that anyway. But just wanted to show you very quickly how you can go and save directly to Microsoft Teams from Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. So here I have my team, which is called Project Sunrise. It's maybe a project that I'm running, and I've got a mixture of both normal and private channels, okay? So the thing to note here is that the private channels get stored, when you want to do this, they actually appear as separate line items. So just bear that in mind when you are looking for that. But if you want to go and upload a document into Microsoft Teams directly from Word, I'll just show you how you do that. So the first thing you want to do is go into Word. There's a document here that I've been working on, which is maybe a contract. And when I'm good to go, I've edited that in Word, I can just click on File, Save As, and then the important bit I'm looking for here is Sites, okay? So this will then show you all of the recent Microsoft Teams and areas that you've been working on. So if I'm just going to scroll down looking for Project Sunrise, private stuff, private secret stuff, and you'll see that I haven't worked on that for a little while, so I select that item. It then asks you what channel you want to select that in. So in this one here, it's private secret stuff. I want to save that there. I'm going to call this test BD contract. Click save. Now this will take about 10 seconds to just upload. Once I've done that, it's actually saved that item in Microsoft Teams. So two ways you can check that. First thing, if you head over to Microsoft Teams, you click on the team, click on files, you'll see that that document's now in there. There's another way you can actually get to that. It's actually in Word now. If you are in Word, if you click File and you click the details there, you'll see that the location's actually automatically saved as well. So very simple way to save directly from Word or PowerPoint to Microsoft Teams. Hopefully that's useful. Any questions, give us a shout.